Which GST component is applicable when goods or services are supplied from one state to another in India? Option A, CGST. Option B, SGST. Option C, IGST. Option D, UGST. Correct answer. Option C, IGST. Which of these players was not among the 7 cricketers inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame in 2025? Option A, Matthew Hayden. Option B, A.B. de Villiers. Option C, Daniel Vettori. Option D, M.S. Dhoni. Correct answer. Option B, A.B. de Villiers. Which country is set to host the G20 summit and hold the presidency in 2025? Option A, USA. Option B, South Africa. Option C, Canada. Option D, Russia. Correct answer. Option B, South Africa. During the reign of which Mughal emperor did Peter Mundy, the English traveller and merchant, visit India? Option A, Babur. Option B, Akbar. Option C, Humayun. Option D, Shah Jahan. Correct answer. Option D, Shah Jahan. What is the range of the intensity scale, modified Mercalli intensity scale, used to measure the effects of earthquakes? Option A, 1 to 9. Option B, 1 to 10. Option C, 1 to 11. Option D, 1 to 12. Correct answer. Option D, 1 to 12. What does Article 60 of the Indian Constitution deal with? Option A, election of the President of India. Option B, powers and duties of the President of India. Option C, oath or affirmation by the President of India. Option D, impeachment of the President of India. Correct answer. Option C, oath or affirmation by the President of India. Which of the following writers was honored with the Varkal Dalit Literary Award in 2025? Option A, P. Sivakami. Option B, Anand Teltumbade. Option C, K. Sachidanandan. Option D, Mahasweta Devi. Correct answer. Option A, P. Sivakami. At which point in its orbit is the Moon closest to the Earth? Option A, aphelion. Option B, perigee. Option C, apogee. Option D, perihelion. Correct answer. Option B, perigee. INS Varsha, the new naval base for India's nuclear submarines, is located in which Indian state? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Gujarat. Correct answer. Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Who hoisted the Indian National Congress flag at Gowalia Tank Maidan in Mumbai during the Quit India movement? Option A. Matangini Hazra. Option B. Suketa Kripalani. Option C. Aruna Asaf Ali. Option D. Kanaklada Barua. Correct answer. Option C. Aruna Asaf Ali. The key starting point of the Silk Road UNESCO World Heritage Corridor is located in which country? Option A. China. Option B. Uzbekistan. Option C. India. Option D. Kyrgyzstan. Correct answer. Option A. China. The book Atish-i Chinar, Flames of the Chinar, is an autobiography of which prominent leader? Option A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Option B. Bhagat Singh. Option C. APJ Abdul Kalam. Option D. Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. Correct answer. Option D. Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. Mond, a traditional folk singing style, known for its classical essence and emotional depth, originates from which Indian state? Option A. Gujarat. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Rajasthan. Option D. Odisha. Correct answer. Option C. Rajasthan. What is the name of the mission on which Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla became the first Indian astronaut to visit the International Space Station? Option A. Artemis II. Option B. Axiom 4. Option C. Soyuz T-11. Option D. Gaganyaan 1. Correct answer. Option B. Axiom 4. Who was the only British Viceroy of India was assassinated during his tenure? Option A. Lord Cornwallis. Option B. Lord Dalhousie. Option C. Lord Mayo. Option D. Lord Curzon. Correct answer. Option C. Lord Mayo. Nolan Gurur Sandesh, a traditional sweet that recently received a geographical indication tag, originates from which Indian state? Option A. West Bengal. Option B. Maharashtra. Option C. Nagaland. Option D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer. Option A. West Bengal. What is the annual health cover amount provided per family under the world's largest health assurance scheme, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? Option A. 4 lakh rupees. Option B. 5 lakh rupees. Option C. 6 lakh rupees. Option D. 7 lakh rupees. Correct answer. Option B. 5 lakh rupees. National income is essentially the same as which of the following? Option A. Net national product at factor cost. Option B. Gross national product at factor cost. Option C. Net national product at market price. Option D. Gross national product at market price. Correct answer. Option A, net national product at factor cost. The Scissors Cup is related to which of the following sports? Option A, cricket. Option B, kabaddi. Option C, volleyball. Option D, football. Correct answer. Option D, football. Which organ produces lipase enzymes that help break down fats during digestion? Option A, pancreas. Option B, liver. Option C, bile duct. Option D, gallbladder. Correct answer. Option A, pancreas. The India Global Forum's NXT25 Summit 2025, titled Leading the Leap, was held in which Indian city? Option A, Bengaluru. Option B, Hyderabad. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Mumbai. Correct answer. Option D, Mumbai. Which type of bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha, and not in the Rajya Sabha? Option A, ordinary bill. Option B, constitutional amendment bill. Option C, money bill. Option D, financial bill. Correct answer. Option C, money bill. United Nations Charter is the foundational treaty of the UN. How many countries initially signed the UN Charter on June 26, 1945? Option A, 49. Option B, 50. Option C, 51. Option D, 52. Correct answer. Option B, 50. Which country was affected by India's withdrawal of the transshipment facility for export cargo, via Indian ports and airports in 2025? Option A, Pakistan. Option B, Turkey. Option C, Bangladesh. Option D, China. Correct answer. Option C, Bangladesh. What is the scientific study of human populations, including their size, growth, density, and distribution? Option A, sociology. Option B, anthropology. Option C, numismatics. Option D, demography. Correct answer. Option D, demography.